Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Fireflies AI and Mem AI. So to get started with a quick comparison and a breakdown analysis about these two platforms. So to get started, Fireflies AI is clearly the winner when it comes to meetings. It's purpose-built to handle live calls, automatic join meetings, transcribe them into high accuracy and identify speakers, extract action items, and summarize conversation in minute. Its built-in AI assistant, HacksFred, can answer questions about any meetings, draft emails, generate summaries, and more. Fireflies also connects smoothly with Zoom, Teams, Slack, and Notion AI, and other CRM platforms, making it a solid productivity hub for teams. Then talking about Mem AI, on the other hand, it's not a meeting assistant. It's an AI-powered workspace focused on personal knowledge management, while it offers great features like fast note capture, contextual linking, and GPT-4 powered writing assistance. It doesn't handle live meetings, transcription, or scheduling. Mem is more like a smart second brain for organizing note and thought, not for managing real-time conversation. And here's a viral conclusion about this platform. So if you need to capture, understand, and act on live meetings, Fireflies AI is the clear winner, but MEM is better suited for after meetings thinking, organizing information, and drafting content, but it is not replace or doesn't replace a true meeting assistant. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.